Hello viewers, within few hours, Republic Day sale will start on both Amazon and Flipkart.com. Many people will buy actually smartphones, tablets and laptops. But you have to be very careful before buying any product on Amazon or Flipkart.com. The reason behind this is that some of the products are on the higher side in terms of pricing. So if you don't have any idea about the best price of any product, you may end up buying a product at a very higher cost, and after that you will repent of buying your favorite product. Some users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, but I think the price is on the higher side. It is showing 23,000 rupees after discount, but in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale, this product was available under 20,000 rupees. Now you have to make the decision whether you want to buy this tablet at a higher price or you should wait for another sale. Again, some users want to buy iPad 10th generation, and actually I saw that Amazon is offering discounts on 256GB version, but they haven't revealed the exact pricing of iPad 10th generation. But if you get the 256GB version at 35 or less, definitely you can buy this iPad 10th generation. And also the base version of 64GB can be bought at a price point of 27 to 28,000 rupees. Also, if you want to buy iPad Air M1 64GB version, then the best price will be 41 to 42,000 rupees, and the 128GB can be bought at a price point of 45 to 46,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the M2, in that case the best price will be around 48,000 rupees for the 128GB Wi-Fi version. Many people want to buy iPad 9th generation. In that case, it can be bought under the price point of 20,000 rupees, maybe 17,000 or 18,000 rupees. And if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, in that case the 128GB with 8GB RAM can be bought at around 13 to 15,000 rupees. Though there is no mention of price drop in case of Apple MacBook Air M1, but I think it will be on offer, and the best price for this product is around 52 to 55,000 rupees. Many people are actually asking me which product they should buy, whether they should go for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or they should buy iPad 10th generation. I have made many videos in comparison of these two products, but I think iPad 10th generation provides more value. The processor is excellent, it has portability, the display is also very good, battery backup is very good, and also you will get iPad OS 18.2.1 with this, with lots of customization option. Plus, once you use any iPad, you will feel that you are using a premium product. But this is not the case with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. There is no denying the fact that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is also a very good product with bigger display, with good color reproduction, with surround sound, and the battery backup is also very good. But you will not get the flagship level processor. You will get only Exynos 1380 processor, which is not comparable to A14 Bionic chipset. That doesn't mean that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a bad tablet, but if you compare directly with iPad 10th generation or MI Pad 7, in that case it may be inferior to them. But with iPad 10th generation base version, you will get only 64GB of internal storage. That might be a deal breaker for many students who want to store a lot of things on their tablet. Plus, you can use SD card slot on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So this is a plus point. Plus, you will get S Pen in the box, which provides excellent writing experience and some extra customization features with the use of S Pen. A lot of productive tasks can be done instantly with the use of S Pen. So these are some factors that might be a plus point for Tab S9 FE Plus. So in the conclusion, I will suggest you, whatever tablet or product you buy, you just see the offers and then decide whether this product is under your budget or not. don't buy any product out of your budget. And if you want to get the best deals, you have to wake up till midnight when the sale will start. Only then you will get the best offers. After that period, you may have to pay extra amount to buy your favorite product. So stay awake and let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or which MacBook you are planning to buy in this Republic sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.